Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best charcoal smokers for beginners in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Masterbuilt 30-inch digital smoker. If you are looking for smoker crafts on the porch or deck with a power source nearby, this Masterbuilt smoker powered by electricity is a suitable option. Masterbuilt 30-inch digital smoker, best for beginners. You will achieve a great smoking meat result without the hassle of charcoal or propane. It allows you to cook a lot of different types in a single go. It is quite versatile and includes 4 great shelves to smoke enough food. Without opening the door, you can load wood chips and maintain heat inside the chamber at the desired level. This patented side wood chip loader lets you search with flavors without opening the smoker door. Number 2. Our second best pick is Royal Gourmet Barbecue Charcoal Grill and Offset Smoker. This offset smoker grill can also work as a small cooking machine, and the old charcoal grill with an offset smoker is a great combo for dual-style barbecue. The lumped charcoal or briquette and small amount of wood chips help to add flavor. The primary grilling area is 438 square inches, large enough to handle a large amount of food for grilling. It has 179 square, swing-away warming racks. The side smoker box adds smoke to specific cuts of meat like fish or ring sausage. The new black coating process withstands temperatures up to 400 and never peel off easily. The porcelain wire cooking grates retain heat equally, helping lock in the juices and make your meat more tender. Number 3. Our third best pick is Weber 18-inch Smokey Mountain Cooker, Charcoal Smoker. This charcoal cooker is an excellent bullet-shaped smoker that uses charcoal fuel to cook food. It is made with strong steel, capable of keeping heat within it. It is coated with durable chrome and porcelain. It is a medium-sized unit that is 41H x19W x21D in dimensions. Like other high-capacity smokers, it is capable of cooking different foods simultaneously. With the cooking capacity, it has 2 cooking grates given for barbecue lovers. To provide a reasonable level of protection, an aluminum heat shield pair with strong legs has been added to it. All these features are very important for a beginner, so they become the best smoker for them. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Dyna-Glo Vertical Offset Charcoal Smoker. If you want to get different tastes and custom cooking skills, then the Dyna Vertical Offset Smoker has the ability for you. It is ready for you through all the doors of taste and takes you to the next step. One can expand their culinary horizons with this large-capacity multifunctional barbecue machine. It has 175 SQ of space for cooking different foods at the same time. From brisket to ribs, anything, you can cook meats at the low and slow flame in the smoker. The offset design optimizes indirect heat flow that is perfect for slow cooking and infusing smoke flavor. The charcoal chamber keeps briquettes stacked tightly for increased burn efficiency. The primary cooking chamber features adjustable smokestacks and side dampers to improve airflow and heat transfer. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Char-Broil Digital Deluxe Smoker. This Char-Broil smoker is the perfect choice for a starter with a large cooking capacity. It gives you complete control over your smoked food through a smoke fire access door, air dampers and 4 smoking rack smokers. It holds 2.76 cubic feet of cooking space at 3 separate cooking grates. The insulated double-wall build makes this smoker truly the best. Hassle-free construction makes it 10 times more efficient than others with wood chips. Also, it makes your favorite foods smoke-free by automatically shutting down when cooking. Its warming facility keeps the warm food inside until it is removed and served. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.